Hello everyone, so this is another test of the Resistor game that I am developing. Currently there's no actual music or sounds in the game. I'll work on that in a little bit. And I'll be running this test through Windows and not the Xbox 360 just because it's easier to run on Windows and capture on Windows. If you see some of my previous posts on the WordPress blog, I did demonstrate the ability to run this on the Xbox 360 through the Creators Club. So I've added a few new features. So after that wait period hits 0, then it will start filling the first cell, the wire that is in the first cell. So I originally had planned to have a piece queue, so you would set pieces of wire that are coming out of the queue and rotating the pieces, but I found that it seemed to be a lot more fun just to be able to put the wires wherever you want to, and whenever you place a wire, have it automatically form all the intersections that are needed to connect it to the other wires. If you played the old SimCity games where you build the roads, it kind of works in the same way. So you can see as I place wires, they make the appropriate turns and intersections as needed. So as you see, as the wires are filling, there's a green number on top of the cell, and that's the number of frames to wait until it moves and starts filling all of the adjacent cells. The number on the bottom, that's basically a unit value. I'm calling it something like elex in the game code. And that's going to be the value that you're going to have to try to lower using the resistors in order not to break the little light bulbs or the LEDs on the game screen. So once I get the actual game working, there will be lights scattered throughout this grid, and you've got to connect the wires to the light having this value lower than the maximum value that's set for the light. So let's say if the light had a value of 6, a maximum value of 6, well then I would have to use resistors to reduce this 8 value to a 6 before it reaches the light, or the light will bust and the game will be over. So basically the objective will be to light all of the lights or the LEDs on the game board. Then you'll move on to the next level. So that's the current progress. Hope to have more done soon. One other thing, before, I don't know if you can see my controller here, before I only had it where you could use the up and down and left and right buttons to move it. Now I actually have the joystick working, and basically you just press the A button to set a piece. So if you can see, I can move up and press A and it will set a piece on the board. But those pieces aren't going to fill because they've already missed their chance. If you set a piece, then it has to not already be filled at the adjacent cell for the adjoining pieces to also fill. I may have to add some code to handle that exception here in the future, but that's the current progress for this week. I hope to make some more progress soon. Thanks for watching.